Hello, and welcome to another Geographic Imager tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to mosaic several images of different coordinate systems together. This will result in one image that contains a single projected coordinate system. In Photoshop, I have already opened the Americas 1, 2, 3, and 4 TIFF files, which can be found in the Americas folder within the tutorial data folder. So with the Americas 4 TIFF document active, I'm going to ensure that the Geographic Imager panel is open. And first I want to click the Reference File Specify link. And here I want to choose the Americas 4 Reference TFW file and open it. So we can see in the Geographic Imager panel that the reference file is now loaded, but the document is still missing coordinate system information. So now I'm going to click the specify link for coordinate system. And here I want to click the same as checkbox, and I will select Americas 1 TIFF WGS84 from the drop-down list. And we can click OK. And there we go. I can see now that my file has both a reference file and coordinate system set. Now I want to make the Americas 2 TIFF file the active document, and I'm going to click the Mosaic button on the Geographic Imager panel. So one thing to notice here is that this TIFF file is in the Lambert conformal conic projected coordinate system. And since Americas 2 is the active document, that means it will also be the destination document for my mosaic. This basically means that the other images will be transformed to the same coordinate system and then be mosaicked to Americas 2. It is okay if available documents have different coordinate systems, pixel sizes, or contain rotation. They can still be mosaicked. The images will simply inherit the coordinate system and pixel size of the destination document. However, one thing to note is that transformations during mosaic are not supported when the destination document contains a rotation. To mosaic into a destination document containing rotation, the images to be mosaicked must have the same coordinate system, pixel size, and rotation angle. A list of available documents for mosaicing are displayed in the Available Documents list of the Mosaic dialog box. And next I will specify the mosaic documents. So what I want to do is click the Transfer All button to move all of the available documents into the Mosaic Documents list. I will leave the mosaic options and the layer options the way they are, but you want to ensure that for layer organization, the Group Source Document Layers option is selected. I'm now going to focus on the Advanced Transformation options, which allow us to select how layers are processed, set a resampling method, and choose a precision level. Here I'm going to click the Layers Pre-Processing dropdown and choose Leave Intact. I can leave my resampling method at its default, and I want to set a precision of normal. Now I can click OK to begin processing the mosaic. And there we go. You can see that the image has been mosaicked into the Americas 2 TIFF document and uses a Lambert conformal conic projected coordinate system. If we inspect the Photoshop Layers panel, you can also see that the other documents are now mosaicked into the Americas 2 TIFF document, and the layers are kept intact because we specified it to be so with the Group Source Document Layers option. This makes it so you can individually control the visibility of layers or lock them, which makes image editing more flexible. To flatten the entire image, I can simply go to my Layers options and select Flatten Image. And now it has been combined into one single layer. I really hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.